So now let's see how we can work around with audio effects inside of HitFilm. So for that, I'm just going to go around and delete out my video right here, and I'm going to go around under media, and over here you can see that I have some audio right here. So these are some musics. So I'm just going to go around and click and drag this audio around right here and play this around to hear out how this sounds. So that is what you have. And now let's say what I want to do is I want to reverse it. And in that case, you can go around and apply the reverse effect. So to do that, you can go around onto the effects tab right here. And once you do that, what you can do is you can go around over here under the audio right here, the audio folder. And here you can see that audio reverse is an effect. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out, then what happens is that the effect is there. So if I were to go around and press the play button, it reverses out the audio. You can also go around and change around the levels, that is the volume of the audio right here. So that is what you have. Apart from that, you can go work around with balance, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out, then what you can do is you can, let's say for example, play more from the left speaker. And what you can also do is play out more from the right speaker. And you can now adjust the volume right here. You can see that the volume for the right speaker is more right here. So you can go around and click and drag this, press the play button. And that is what you have. You can go around and go for center or left right here, totally left. Or totally right over here as well. And that is how you can work around with audio reverse and balance effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.